I would say SGU prepared me well for clinicals because we did have clinical sessions or preclinical sessions on campus. We were fortunate to have local Grenadians be fake patients when we were there. So I definitely think being able to interact with those patients and have certain scenarios, I would say, that definitely helped me prepare for clinicals here in the States.
Before coming to the US and doing clinical rotations here, I was able to see, while we were learning about medicine, we would also have clinical opportunities in the hospital in Grenada, but it also kind of opened my eyes to how other hospitals outside of the US treat their patients, which I think, depending on if you went to medical school outside the US or within the US, you wouldn't have those opportunities.
They helped me with time management skills, they helped me with clinical skills, better understanding patient care, and I still use those practices today.
I think one of the experiences that shaped me most while I was at SGU was the ability for us to go into communities in Grenada. In my second year as a part of AMSA, American Medical Student Association, we set up community outreach programs. We would do triaging and checking all of the people who showed up's vitals and refer them to clinics and doctors who were with us so they can get the medical care that they needed, which was very beneficial because it was hands-on experience while we're still in training on the island.
I think SGU helped me achieve my dreams in becoming a doctor by giving me a well-rounded experience, both academically as well as clinically, through interacting with the local population of Grenada.